In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Amazon app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap so prices show in the currency you expect, and you'll understand what changes behind the scenes when you switch. Start by opening the Amazon app on your phone. On the home screen, look for the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, often called the hamburger menu, usually at the bottom right or top left, depending on your device. Tap that to open your account and app options. Scroll down and tap Settings. Inside Settings, choose Country and Language. This is where Amazon groups the options that control which regional store you're browsing, and with it, the currency you'll see. Next, tap Country/Region. Here, you'll select the marketplace you want to use. This choice determines the currency automatically, so you don't have to change currency separately. For example, selecting Amazon.com will show prices in US dollars, Amazon.co.uk shows British pounds, Amazon.de shows euros, and Amazon.co.jp shows Japanese yen. Pick the marketplace that matches the currency you want. After you choose, confirm your selection. The app may prompt you to restart, or it might refresh itself. If you don't see prices update right away, simply close and reopen the app to apply the change. That's it for the switch itself. Currency follows the marketplace. A few helpful tips so you're not caught off guard. When you change marketplaces, you're browsing a different regional Amazon store. That means product availability, prices, shipping options, delivery estimates, and promotions can differ. Prime benefits are tied to the marketplace as well, so what's included may vary. Your cart and saved items are often separate per marketplace, so if something looks missing, switch back to the original store to find it. Also check the delivery location at the top of the app. Some items in one region may not ship to your address. If you need to pay in a different currency than the one shown, your bank or card provider may convert the charge and could apply fees, so it's best to shop in the marketplace that matches the currency you prefer. If you ever want to return to your previous setup, repeat the same path. Menu, Settings, Country and Language, Country/Region, and select your original marketplace. Give the app a quick restart and your prices will switch back automatically. That's all you need to change the currency on the Amazon app with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.